Ever wish you could type smoothly on your computer, tablet, and smartphone without juggling multiple keyboards? The Logitech K480 wireless keyboard promises exactly that. A single keyboard that works across all your Bluetooth-enabled devices. Whether you're on Windows, macOS, Chrome OS, Android, or iPadOS, this keyboard lets you switch typing effortlessly between 3 connected devices with a simple turn of its easy switch dial. I've spent weeks using the K480, and what stands out immediately is how intuitive it feels. The keyboard layout is familiar, with all your favorite shortcut keys right where you'd expect them. Yet, it's designed to save space, allowing you to place your mouse closer for better posture and less arm strain. The integrated cradle is a clever touch, holding your phone or tablet at the perfect angle so you can glance at your screen while typing without awkward neck movements. It fits most devices up to 0.4 inches thick and 10 inches wide, making it versatile for all your gadgets. The K480 is also built to last. It comes with 2 AAA batteries that can power the keyboard for up to 24 months, so you won't be worrying about frequent replacements. Plus, its spill-resistant design means small accidents won't derail your work. At just 181 pounds, it's lightweight enough to toss into your laptop bag for work or travel. Bluetooth pairing is straightforward, connecting quickly and reliably every time. Just keep in mind that the keys aren't backlit and do produce a bit of typing noise, nothing distracting, but worth noting if you prefer silent keyboards. If you're looking for a reliable, multi-device keyboard that blends convenience with durability, the Logitech K480 is worth a look. It's an excellent value for anyone juggling multiple screens and seeking a clutter-free desk setup. And if you want to step up your productivity further, consider the Logitech K780, which adds a number pad and scooped keys for more comfort during longer typing sessions. Ready to simplify your workspace and type seamlessly across your devices? The Logitech K480 wireless keyboard offers a solid, user-friendly solution that fits right into your daily routine. Try it when you're ready to experience a more organized, efficient way to work and play.